Now, rugby plays a huge part in the culture of the East Coast. A special story in our series, For the Love of It, about Ngāti Porou East Coast rugby stalwart Charlie Harrison is coming up right now. Charlie's joined a select club of just 2 people who have played 100 games for the team.
To our people, it means a lot because everyone that's in the team, someone can relate to them, so they're always right behind the old Braves, we're passionate about our rugby back home. And, it's not all about the money, right from our kids all the way to the seniors, we love the game of rugby.
Ko Hikurangi te maunga, ko Waiapu te awa, ko Ngāti Porou te iwi, ko Charlie Harrison te tangata, ko te Ngāti Porou te kai.
Rugby is everything to us, especially on the coast. We're not like in the old big urban areas where you've got a whole lot of options. Rugby's number 1, rugby's number 2 and 3. But a netball there too, but rugby, it's all we got. We love it, so we're good.
Ko te atu tonu ki etai, te Ngāti Porou o tō Ngāti Porou, akamautu mai whangara tae atu ki pōtaka, pakari ana te, koe rata te paipera e rāwa, tatana, koe rata te paipera.
Hoka, kāreti pāma.
Ko tahi anake te kai tākoro, kei roto tonu i te karapu, ko tahi rau ngā kemu mo te tīma o Ngāti Porou, ara ko Morgan Waitoa.
Just before I give the Susie to old Charlie, like when he come back from Wellington, he was down here with the Hurricanes. Him and Willie were together. I had the honour of having a bit of a coach with him and a bit of a teammate, bit of everything with old Charlie, been a number of years together. And awesome to bring you up and have your 100th game, my cuss.
Oh, it's an honour. I've known Charlie for a number of years. I think he started back with us in the year 2000. And he's flown the flag for us, right till now. So it's good knowing him. Coached him, played with him. It's still playing against him to today. So it's awesome. It's an awesome privilege to have him on board with me.
One I sort of remember is my first is playing against Hawke's Bay under Joe Mack, and there was a lot of senior players and good leaders in the team, and I looked up to those fellas, and now it's a bit of a buzz.
All the best today, as the time ticks down, I'm sure we'll say a few more things, but like Gray said, just rest up and think about what we need to do, and if you got little niggles or anything, sort that out and do it from there, my viewers.
Ko tōna whānau, ko tōna pautoko manua. Kāti ko tōna karapu a Hikurangi e hara I te karapu noa nei.
Good to see the old bro back in there. Yeah, bro.
For me, it's nothing better because, it's your loved ones. They're right behind you. And, as far as I remember, my father, my mother, our grandparents, they're all involved with the club. And, hopefully it'll carry on onto my son and, his children.
We wanted to do something as a club, so we asked her if she could order 3 extra jerseys. And we did. We've got the 3 number 9s. We've got the 3 extra number 9s. But on the front, they've actually got the Cuzzy's 100th game. So,
Tai rawa ki te mura o te ahi, ka eke a Charlie ki te taumata o ngā taumata ki te hoa riri nui ko ngā whanaunga o tūranga nui a Kiwa. te mutunga iho, kaore a Ngāti Porou I ike pānuku. He oe anō, ko te koingo o tōna ngā kaukē, te āhuatanga I toa.
Yeah, to play for Ngāti Porou East Coast, my bro, it means a lot because, you know, not many people can say that they've put on this jersey, and, you know, I'm not going to be around forever, and, you know, I hope that the future players, the younger ones, come through, and, you know, they think the same when they put it on, you know. You know, we're there for a time, and then we move on, and, you know, we'll be right behind them on the sideline in the future.